Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a page in your Word document. So let's get started. First, go to the Home tab in the toolbar and locate the Pilcrow symbol. This symbol marks the spaces, line breaks, and other formatting elements in your document. Click on the Pilcrow symbol to display these markers in your document. Now, scroll to the bottom of your first page, where you'll see the Pilcrow symbol marking the end of the content. Press Enter a few times to create space for a new page. You'll notice a new Pilcrow symbol appearing on the next page, marking its beginning. Next, go back to the top of your first page. Press and hold the Shift key and use the arrow keys to highlight all the content on the page, including any tables, text, or images. Once the entire page is selected, right-click and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C. Now, navigate to the second page where you created space. Place your cursor at the first Pilcrow symbol on this page, right-click and choose Paste, or press Ctrl+V. To ensure the formatting is consistent, select the Keep Source Formatting option when pasting. You'll now see that the content from the first page has been duplicated onto the second page. Once you're done, you can click the Pilcrow symbol again to hide the markers, leaving a clean document with the duplicated pages. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a page in Word. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.